Clickfunnels affiliate program. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the Clickfunnels affiliate program, how it works and what all you need to do to start as an affiliate marketer with Clickfunnels, and what all are feature available, what are the commissions and all the other information regarding Clickfunnels that you will need. So stick around till the very end of this video and you will know all about it. So first of all, let's talk about the Clickfunnels affiliate program. So like any other affiliate program, Clickfunnels affiliate program provides Clickfunnels members and non-members the ability to earn revenue with a twist. So there is a slight twist in how Clickfunnels works as compared to the other affiliate marketing programs. Not only does Clickfunnels help have a high commission rate up to 40%, user who complete a certain set of milestone also stand a chance to win the car of their dreams. More on this later. So first of all, we'll see how you can start this marketing affiliate program. So all you have to do is just open the Clickfunnels website, affiliate program website, and here on this screen, as you can see, that you have to mention your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, and once you fill in all the details, all you have to do is just click on send me the invite. And once the Clickfunnels review your information, they will send you an invite. Then you can become a member of their Clickfunnels affiliate marketing program. So let's talk about how does the Clickfunnels affiliate program works. Once your profile gets approved, Clickfunnels will introduce you to their affiliate portal. This portal hosts all the ads, copy, banners, email, graphics, tools, and your personal affiliate ID links for each product promotion. Clickfunnels affiliate program also provide you with something called sticky cookies. So what are sticky cookies? Sticky cookies are tracker applied to you and your visitors' browsers once they make use of your affiliate link. And basically, when a customer click on an affiliate link located in your funnel, a sticky cookie gets attached. From here, any purchase or sign up made allow the affiliate to earn a commission from 45 days onwards. So active sticky cookies also remain on file for you to track whoever make a purchase. Sticky cookies additionally helps with quick checkouts, member logins, and advanced product features. So what is this dream car context that everyone is talking about? So Clickfunnels boasts that they have paid out more than $100 millions in commissions, and with this context, we don't find that hard to believe. The dream car contest is one of the biggest driving force for the affiliate marketing world when it comes to this platform. For starters, you need at least 100 affiliate signups to Clickfunnels accounts. Unfortunately, new affiliates can't promote Clickfunnels software until they have made at least $1,000 in commission in 1 month from selling other Clickfunnels products, such as, there are a list of products. Once you get hit that 100 active members mark, you will automatically qualify for the dream car contest. And if you continue to have 100 or more active member in your affiliate program, Clickfunnels will pay you $500 month indefinitely towards your car lease payment. This amount is increased to $1,000 month when you reach 200 active affiliate members. One last important thing to note is that active member refers to member that have purchased the $97 month startup or above Clickfunnels plan. So there must be a question that how much you can earn through Clickfunnels affiliate. So when you become an Clickfunnels affiliate, your earning potential could be enough for you to create an online business in affiliate marketing. So Clickfunnels affiliates receive up to 40% commission on all of their front-end sales. New Clickfunnels affiliate will also earn at least 20% commission for every subscription their front-end buyers purchase and sign up for. This is a monthly recurring commission, making it a great bonus to help you get to your first $1,000. As long as your new buyers continue to pay for their Clickfunnels account, you will receive your commission. Once you reach $1,000 in commission in a single month, you can apply to become an approved affiliate. So there is another thing that you should note and keep in mind, that commissions are paid after a 30 days cooling off period, including the added 14-day trial period. Due to possible refund or cancellation, Clickfunnels total cooling off period is 45 days. From the time it takes the cooling off period to take place and for the sale to become eligible, it could take anywhere from 31 to 45 days from the date of initial payment to the time it is paid out to the affiliate. So this is basically what Clickfunnels affiliate program is. I hope you find this video to be informative. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.